Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get pixel font like circle to source feature in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as circle to source. On the first list you will see one application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on accept. Now click on this, go to settings. Now just click on this device assistant app. Now just select the circle to source. Click on OK and move back. So if you're using a on-screen navigation button, then it's showing to holding down the home button, you can see. And if you're using a full gesture option, then what you can do is just swipe from either bottom right or bottom left diagonally, just like this. Now just click on this accept. So now circle the area which you want to source. Now you can see it's searching the best matches with the respective object which I have circled. So by using this cool application named as circle to source, you can easily get pixel font like circle to source feature in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.